Adobe Lightroom versus DaVinci Resolve. Which photo and video editor is better? Choosing the right editor can completely change how you enhance your visuals without wasting time or sacrificing quality. Lightroom focuses on photos, DaVinci on videos. Adobe Lightroom and DaVinci Resolve serve different creative needs. Lightroom is designed primarily for photo editing and organizing, while DaVinci Resolve excels as a professional video editing and color grading tool. The core difference lies in their focus on still images versus motion pictures. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful photo editing and management software tailored for photographers and creatives. It works by providing a non-destructive editing environment, allowing users to adjust exposure, color, and detail without altering the original image. Lightroom's intuitive interface offers tools like presets, batch processing, and seamless organization through catalogs and keywords. Its cloud integration enables access to photos across devices, making workflow efficient and flexible. Lightroom's strengths lie in its simplicity, speed, and advanced photo enhancement features, making it ideal for photographers who need to edit large volumes of images quickly while maintaining quality. However, Lightroom is limited to photo editing and does not support video editing or advanced motion graphics. Its focus on still images means it lacks the timeline and multi-track editing capabilities found in video software. Lightroom is best suited for photographers, hobbyists, and professionals who want to enhance photos and organize large libraries with ease and speed. DaVinci Resolve is a comprehensive video editing and color grading software used by filmmakers and video producers. It combines professional editing, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production in one platform. Resolve operates on a timeline-based editing system, supporting multiple video and audio tracks, advanced trimming, and keyframe animations. Its standout feature is the industry-leading color grading tools, which provide precise control over color correction and creative looks. The software supports a wide range of video formats and resolutions, including 4K and higher, making it suitable for high-end productions. Despite its complexity, DaVinci Resolve offers a free version with robust features accessible to beginners and pros alike. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and less focus on photo editing or image organization. It's ideal for video editors, colorists, and content creators who need powerful tools for storytelling, visual effects, and sound design in a single application. Choosing between Adobe Lightroom and DaVinci Resolve depends on your creative focus. Lightroom excels in photo editing with fast, intuitive tools for enhancing and organizing images, perfect for photographers managing large photo libraries. In contrast, DaVinci Resolve offers an all-in-one solution for video editing, color grading, and audio post-production, making it the go-to for filmmakers and video creators. While Lightroom's strength is simplicity and photo-centric features, it cannot handle video projects. Resolve's strength lies in its versatility and professional-grade video tools, but requires more time to master. For projects involving both photos and videos, using Lightroom for images and Resolve for video provides a balanced workflow. The trade-off is between ease of use and depth of video editing capabilities. Adobe Lightroom is recommended for photographers and creatives focused on photo editing and organization who want fast, reliable tools without the complexity of video editing. DaVinci Resolve is the better choice for video editors and content creators needing advanced editing, color grading, and audio tools in one platform. For photo and video editing, combining Lightroom and Resolve offers the best results across both